Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have TCL 50SA and I want to show you how to remove save mode from this device. To remove it, press power key for a long second. Leave volume up and tap on restart. And after restarting our smartphone, our save mode will be removed. Now we must wait a second to completely restart it. And as you can see, our save mode is totally removed. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.